Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial inside SolidWorks Assembly. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you make this simple cam and forward made inside SolidWorks Assembly, and we will also study the basic motion. And in this video, we will try to make this animation as well. Now, to do this, let me open a new assembly and let me change the background plain white, and let me insert some axis. Now here I will choose front plane and right plane. Okay. Now again I will come to axis, and this time let me choose top plane and right plane and say okay. See, and let me visible all the axes. Now after this, let me insert my first component, which is this base, like this. Now make your first component float and make a concentric mate with this axis. Concentric and say okay. And say okay. Right? Now let me insert another component, that is cam forward. See? Now make a concentric mate with this hole. Flip the direction and say okay. Again say okay. See? Next, let me browse another part, which is cam. Browse this part and make a mate with this axis, concentric mate, and say okay. Again say okay. Now let me make some relations. Now I will come to cam, choose front plane, make mate. Now come to assembly and select front plane. Make them coincident and say okay. Again say okay. Now let me adjust this. Click on this and let me drag it down like this. Now again make it text. Okay. Let me hide all the axes. And after this, now we'll come to mate and come to mechanical mates. Here I will select cam. Scroll up and cam path. I will choose this face and cam forward. I will click on that point. Okay. Again say okay. See how it works. The point is right follow the cam path. Now you will apply some basic motion to the cam and forward. For that, come to motion study. I will come to motion study, and here I will come to settings. Keep frame per setting 20. Scroll down, come to basic motion, And basic motion, keep it 20 as well. And keep each and everything high. Okay. Now we will apply motor. Select this hole. And here come downward. And just flip the direction. Here keep the RPM 20. And say OK. Here select basic motion. And drag it up to 6 seconds. Keep motion speed 0.5x. And let me calculate. See how it works. Remember one thing. Calculation is always faster than when I'm going to play. See? Get down and see how it does works betterly. So this is how we can make a cam and forward animation inside SolidWorks assembly. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any problem, you can write and comment. I will reply for that. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and share with your friends.